To open up the Data Improvement Report, first you'll need to log into Jaspersoft. From the Jaspersoft homepage, if you've opened up the Data Improvement Report before, you'll find it on the left-hand side of the screen under Recent Items, as can be seen here. If, however, you have not, then what you'll need to do is to navigate to View, Repository. From there, SMIS plus Build, into the Common folder, and Data Improvement Reports. You can see the latest iteration of the Data Improvement Report is version 3.1. This report is version controlled, so ensure that you click on the version with the highest number at the end of its name, and then click on it to open it. Once you have opened the Data Improvement Report, there are different filters you can apply before making the contents appear. Here we have selected the Industry Group filter, which gives the Data Improvement Report for all organisations that enter into SMIS. If you wish to view your own organisation's Data Improvement Report, ensure that you change the group selection to None, as this overrides any other filters. From there, if you select your organisation name and click Apply, this will then populate the Data Improvement Report with those details. Just to reiterate, ensure that you have selected the group filter as None, otherwise your changes will not be visible. As you can see, there is an overall data quality score of 97.62% when this was last run. The data quality score is the accuracy score calculated from the rated measures, which you can see in the table below. A rated measure is one of the core accuracy metrics used to calculate the overall data quality score for an organisation, as seen at the top of page 1. Each measure is also shown as red, amber or green, depending on whether it's worsening, improving or unchanged or perfect. So for green, that will be perfect, for amber, improving or unchanged, and red, worsening. The Data Improvement Report identifies events greater than 5 days old which have any data quality issues and provides links to the affected records. It is refreshed overnight with any changes that have been made in SMIS which may affect your score. So if you make a change today, it will not be visible and it will not affect your data quality score until the following day. Going on to page 2 of the Data Improvement Report, we have a list of monitoring measures. These are a further list of potential issues which can be viewed to improve overall data quality. These do not contribute to the overall accuracy score. However, they may have an impact on the quality of the data in SMIS and are useful to keep an eye on. The data in SMIS is used to inform safety decisions. Therefore, it is important that the data is accurate and complete. The Data Improvement Report measures the basic data quality requirements, and the expectation is for all organisations to work with RSSB to reach 100% accuracy. This helps ensure that the basic detail is present in any data analysis. The data in SMIS is used for analysis underpinning the industry strategy, leading health and safety on Britain's railway, as well as safety performance reporting and safety risk modelling. The Data Improvement Report is an excellent tool for identifying the data quality core accuracy issues that need fixing. The main ones being the rated measures which are visible in the table on page 1. There are a number of ways in which you can look at and resolve issues in SMIS, one of which being to drill down into a measure in detail by clicking on it. For example, clicking on the Riddle Report has not been sent measure will open up a separate tab. This tab contains a list of all the SMIS references that are potentially reportable under this measure. Alternatively, you can navigate to a full list of all the SMIS references using the double arrow. For each SMIS reference, you'll have a list of issues that it is flagging under in the data improvement report. For example, for this event, we have workforce injury issues, lost time due to physical injury +3 and +7 days indicators are inconsistent, and return to full duties not entered. In the same way as you would for the Measure in Detail page, the SMIS reference provides a hyperlink which will take you directly to that SMIS event, where you can then rectify those issues individually. Some final points on the use of the data improvement report. It is good practice to utilise it often. RSSB recommends checking at least once per week, if not more. Scheduling can be set up to email the report to your inbox for ease. A video is available on the RSSB website on how to do this. There is a link provided on the screen. For further support and guidance on the data improvement report, you can go to the RSSB service desk. You can either navigate to Solutions to find the input guidance and find the data quality folder where the data improvement reports and the data improvement report frequently asked questions can be found. Alternatively, you can select Browse Help Articles, which will take you to the same location, SMIS input guidance, and the data quality folder, which you can see here. If you then click on that article, there is a downloadable attachment, which you can save as a PDF to view in your own time. These give details on what each measure flags and guidance on how to resolve them. If you have any questions that you wish to raise, this can also be done through the RSSB service desk. If you wish to challenge an issue which you believe is appearing incorrectly under the data improvement report, ensure that you report an issue on the RSSB service desk, detailing the SMIS reference, the measure challenged, and ensuring you include the justification on why you believe this is incorrect. This can be done by selecting New, Report an Issue. This challenge will then be reviewed by the data quality team, and if it's agreed, will be added to the data improvement report exclusion list. This is typically updated fortnightly, so it may take a few days, depending on when you raise this, for it to be removed permanently from your data improvement report.